China has just unleashed its most advanced humanoid robots at the Canton Fair 2025. Here's a quick look at them, with full details coming up next. This is the Lynx M20 by Deep Robotics, a robot built to handle tough environments. It works in extreme temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius and can move through rough terrain like mountains, wetlands, and rubble. It's lightweight, easy to carry by one person, and quick to deploy. The robot is agile enough to pass through narrow spaces and take on more challenging missions. With a 96-line LiDAR, it can navigate on its own and avoid obstacles in all directions. It's great for all-weather use and intelligent inspections. The Lynx M20 can carry up to 15 kilograms, run for 2.5 hours with a load, and clear obstacles up to 80 centimeters high. It's designed for real-world action where most robots can't go. Meet the UB Walker S1 by UBTech, a smart humanoid robot built for factory and industrial use. It comes with comprehensive perception, thanks to its panoramic fisheye camera that helps it see everything around clearly. Its self-developed dexterous hands can perform detailed tasks, while a sensor array adds pressure sensing to enhance precision. The robot is designed to handle multiple tasks with smooth and flexible body movement, powered by learning-based motion control. It even has a handheld LED light to improve visibility during inspections. From detecting car parts and core modules, to checking assembly status, UB Walker S1 is made to boost factory productivity, and to top it off, it can integrate directly into a factory management system, making it a true team player in smart manufacturing. Introducing the PadBot X3, a smart service robot designed to handle everything from reception to education. It features a wide-angle high-definition camera and a long-distance pickup system, making communication crystal clear. With its LiDAR navigation system and 360-degree anti-collision protection, the PadBot moves safely and smoothly in any indoor space. It's packed with a series of advanced functions that make it a reliable assistant wherever it's used. With one key indoor map building, it quickly learns its environment. It can even recognize the identity of customers, offering a personalized experience. The dual-screen interactive design keeps communication engaging, while features like auto-answering, intelligent QA, video calls, and remote control make it a powerful all-in-one solution. PadBot X3 isn't just smart, it's built to serve. Meet the Unitree G1, the affordable humanoid robot that's taking the robotics world by storm. It comes with extra-large joint movement space, ranging from 23 to 43 joints, giving it unlimited movement ability. This robot can run at speeds over 2 meters per second, thanks to its hollow joint wiring throughout the machine, which keeps things lightweight and efficient. It's built tough, able to withstand opposing forces and punches, while still staying balanced and responsive, with force control in its dexterous hands. It handles objects with precision, yet remains sensitive and impact-resistant. And here's the wild part, the G1 can even execute kung fu moves. All of this is powered by end-to-end perceptive deep reinforcement learning, making the Unitree G1 not just a machine, but a fast-learning, agile, and affordable humanoid built for the future.